Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss about the topic is called area for compound shapes, and the compound shapes means joining two shapes, okay, like rectangular joining with a triangles, okay, or maybe rectangle joining with a circle, okay. So how we work out, okay, so let me take an example, okay. So first I'm taking here, so there is a rectangular shape, okay, and the value is 4 and 6 centimeter, and joining this one with a triangle which is same 6 centimeter height and same as 4 centimeter for the base. So how we work out this compound shape? So in a same way, first you need to work out the area for the rectangle and then you find the area for the triangle, okay. So as per the area for rectangle, which is length time width, so what you do, simply length time width, which is 6 times 4, which is 24 centimeter square. And the area for the triangle, okay, the area for the triangle is half time base time height, okay. So this is the height for the triangle and this is the base for the triangle. So what you do, half time base time height, which is half, base is 4 times length is 6, so it means your answer will be 24 and divide by 2, which is 12 centimeter. So what you do, you need to add 24 centimeter for the rectangle area and for the triangle is 12, which is 36 centimeter square. So this is the basic example, okay. Now I'm going to move more complex compound shapes, okay. So let me take another example, which is I'm going to take this one. This is the shape for the rectangular shape, yeah, and this one is joining with circle, okay. So this is okay. Now the value for this is 12 inches and this is 5 inches, and we need to find the area for this shape. So this is half circle, okay, joined with rectangle. So what we do, okay, first of all we need to find the area for rectangle, the same as what you do, simple length times width, which is equal to 12 times 5 is 60 inches square, yeah. And the area for the circle, you know the area, how we work out the area. So circle area for pi r square, pi values is fixed, okay, which is 3.142, but you need to take only 2 decimal places, so just take 3.14, okay. And now this is called radius, okay, from center point to the edge of the circle, okay, is the radius, okay. And if I move this center to this point for the whole from one end to another end is called diameter, okay. So radius is a half of diameter, okay. So look at this one, okay. So it means this is a diameter for the circle okay, and which is 5 centimeter, because these opposite sides are equal, so it means diameter is 5 inches as well. So this is the center point, okay. So it means half of the circle, half of the diameter, which is called radius, okay. So 5 inches is the diameter, so the radius will be 2.5 inches. So it means, how we work out for the area for the circle? First we need to find out, okay, area equal to 2 pi r square. So a 3.14 times by radius, which is 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 is square. So 3.14. 2.5 means, just ignore decimal point, 25 times 25, which is 625, and 2 decimal places, so it means 6.25. Okay, so 2.5, which is coming 625, and 2 decimal places, which is 6.25. And now you can work out, okay, so this is A, and 6.25 times 3.14, okay, so which is 4 times 5 is 20, and 4 times 2 8 2, which is 10, and 6 times 4 is 24, 25, and then cross 5 2 6, and then 3 times 5 is 15, okay, and 1 carry, 3 times 2 6, and this is 7, and 3 times 6 is 18, okay. So the total will be, I would say, 0, 5, okay, and which is 7, okay, and this is 13 is like 1 carry, which is 19, so 19.37, okay. So 19.37, which is the area for the whole circle. But here is half circle, you need to divide by 2, okay. Once you divide by 2, okay, so it means the area for this circle will be 9.81. So 9.81. So what you do, you need to add the area for the circle, okay, 9.81 plus 60. So 60 for the rectangle area and 9.81 for the half area for the circle, which is 69.81 inches square. So this is your final answer. This is your final answer for this shape. And now we are moving another example, okay, which is this shape and this shape. Okay, so look at, and examiner says here that the length for this one is 10 yard, okay, and from here to here, okay, the height they're giving 7 yard, yeah, and the total, okay, so total length from here to here is 19 yard, okay, and the total height from here to here, okay, the total height they are giving you from this place to this place, okay, which is 13 yard, yeah. So what we do, first we need to break this shape into two, okay, which is, look at this shape now, you can, easy to understand. So now the shape for this, the first one is trapezium, okay, this shape is trapezium, and second one is same as triangle, okay. So first you need to find the area for the trapezium, which is, what say the trapezium area is height 1 plus b over 2, and we know that a means 10 yard, which is a, and this one from this point to this point, okay, we know that is a 19 yard, so it means, so the b is 19 yard, okay, and the height, it says the total height is 13 yard, okay, but as we know that from triangle height is 7 yard, so it means the balancing will be the height for trapezium. So 13 take away 7 is, which is 6, so it means the height for the 6 times a, which is 10 plus 19 divided by 2, okay. So this is the area for the trapezium. So 10 plus 19, which is coming 29 over 2 times 6. So half of the 29, which is 14.5. So what you do? Simply 6 times 14.5. So 14.5 times 6. 30, yeah, 6 times 4 is 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, okay, and 6 times 1 is 6, and plus 2, you need to add 8, yeah, so it means one decimal place is called 87, so it means the area of trapezium is coming 87. And now move to the area for the triangle. The area for the triangle is here, half time base time height. So it means the base is the 19 and the height is 7. So what you do, simply half times 19 times 7, okay, so 19 times 7, which we know that, which is 133, okay, and 133, half of 133, half, which is 65, half of 130, so it means 66.5. So if we add what? The area of trapezium, which is 87, okay, and for the area for 66.5, okay, so it means (153.5). So the total area for this shape is coming what? 153.5 yard square. So this is our third example, okay, for the compound shape. So what you do, simply you need to work out the area for trapezium, and then you find the area for triangle, then you need to add together to get the final area for this compound shape. And now we are going to take one more example, okay. So one more example, okay, which is very common, and this is, I say, this is the shape. Okay, and I say this is 16 inches and this is 16 inches, yeah, and this is, I say, 8 this side, 8 inches, and this one is 8 inches, and this. Okay, so find the area for this shape, yeah. So very easy, you can find easily, yeah. What to do? Okay, if the shape is 16, so it means what to do, just draw a line. Okay, so it means this is 16, okay, this is 16, okay. So the area for the square, okay, because the all sides are equal, so 16 times 16, okay, so 16 times 16. And the second one, it says the 8 inches, yeah, okay, so it means this one is 8, this one is 8, 16 take away 8 is, so it means this one is also 8, okay, so it means this side is also equal, so this is another square, yeah, so 8 times 8 is 64, so 64 plus 16 times 16 is what? 16 plus 10 plus 6, so 160 plus 16 times 6 is 96, yeah, okay, so it means this one 160 plus 96, 6, okay, which is 256, so 256 plus 64, which is the answer is 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, which is carry 1 12, so it means 320. So the area for this compound shape is 320 inches square. So this is the area for the compound shape. And if you like this video, so please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.